Hi everyone, in this video, we'll be discussing how to make money with OpenAI's language model, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art AI language model developed by OpenAI. It can generate human-like responses based on the input provided to it. It has been trained on vast amounts of text data and has the ability to generate text, summarize long documents, translate languages, and much more.
The first one is chatbot development. You can use ChatGPT to create chatbots for businesses. Second is content creation. ChatGPT can generate articles, summaries, and other types of content for websites and blogs. Third one, translation services. ChatGPT can translate text from one language to another, which can be useful for businesses that operate in multiple countries. Fourth and the last is virtual writing assistant. You can use ChatGPT to assist with writing tasks such as email responses and reports. Number 1. Familiarize yourself with the technology and its capabilities. Number 2. Focus on a specific area where you think ChatGPT can add value. Number 3. Offer a demo of your ChatGPT-powered services to potential clients to showcase its capabilities. Number 4. Continuously improve your skills and learn about the latest advancements in AI technology. Outro. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can be used to generate a significant amount of income. With the right strategy and a strong understanding of the technology, you can harness the power of ChatGPT to create new business opportunities and generate revenue. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the Legend OP channel for more informative and entertaining content. Subscribe to our channel for more videos, or hit the like button if you enjoyed this video.